Namaste and good morning to all my dear children. I am your Brahmanand sir. In this video, we are going to discuss about standard form. Okay, students, how to write a number in standard form, students. Okay, what is meant by standard form? See here, I have written the definition. See, that is a number which is expressed as a decimal between 1.0 and 10.0. Is it? Including 1.0 multiplied by a power of 10 is called a number in the standard form. Sir, yes sir, see here students, what is the standard form? We have to write the number in standard form. For example, take it 23. How we will write 23? Yes sir, 23 is a standard form only. But 23, how we will write this one in standard form? Isn't it? This standard form is used to write a number or a long number in short form. And for that we have a general equation, that is x is equal to a into 10 to the power of n. Just wait, I will explain. X is nothing but a number. X is nothing but a number, whatever it may be. Sir, 23 lakh or 23 crore, whatever it may be. That's the number. Okay, and A is the real number. A is also a number. A is a real number which exists between 1 and 10. That means A is greater than 1 or equal to 1. See here. A is equal to 1 or greater than 1. Isn't it? It is greater than 1 or equal to 1. And it is less than 10. And A is less than 10. Is it clear, students? This is a number and it exists between 1 and 10. And it may be equal to 1. 1 is equal to 10. Is it clear, students? Yeah. Then what about n? Yes, that is what about n? Sir, n is the exponent. N is the exponent or a power. N is positive. It is most important. See here. N is positive for large numbers. N is positive for large numbers. And n is negative for small numbers. N is positive for large numbers and n is negative for small numbers. What are the large numbers and small numbers? See here, 28,000. And here we have 0.0028. Which is the large number, students, here? Which is the large number? Whether A or a B? Tell me that. Which is the large number here? Yes, sir, simple. That is 28,000 is a large number. That is A is the large number. Very good. And B is the small number. Okay. Then one more example. 28 is there. Here 2.8 is there. Which is the large number, students, here? Sir, simple, sir. A1, that is 28 is a large number and 2.8 is a small number, isn't it? And n is the exponent, students. N is the exponents or exponent, and n is positive for large numbers and n is negative for small numbers. Concentrate. Okay, is it clear? Sir, what is it? Sir, this is the general formula, that is x is equal to a into 10 to the power of n. This is the general formula, or this is the standard general formula. Okay, we have to convert any big number into this form. Is it clear, students? Okay, take a screenshot of this definition, it may help you. Okay, what it is. Okay, yeah, same. Here I have defined and here that is the formula. Is it clear? Yeah. Sir, Why we have to study this standard form? Isn't it? ಯಾಕೆ ಓದ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್? Okay, students, I will write it here some more example. The distance between sun and the earth, that is the distance between sun and the earth is, that is 149 600 0 and 0 meter. Okay, now by heck ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ see, and the speed of light, take, that is speed of light, that is 300 or 3 lakh meter per second. And one more we have. Okay, let's see these two. Sir, here we are expressing the distance between sun and the earth in long way. Isn't it here? Sir, zeros alla by heart ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 149 600 000. So it is confusion and it takes lots of time to write. That's why if we express this number into that, sir, easily we can tell that, sir, 149 or 1.49 into 10 to the power of whatever it may be. How many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 into 10 to the power of 9 meter directly. Or else what is the formula of, what is the value of G? That is easily tell that 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11, whatever it may be, Newton meter square per kg square, like that. See here, otherwise, sir, the general formula that is 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11. Otherwise, yang baribekitri sir illa antandre idu, sir, 0.000 11 zeros, isn't it? 11 zeros. Afterwards, afterwards, like that we have to write. Sir, extra zero, sorry. It's difficult to remember and it's difficult to write. So that we have to express these long numbers into standard form. That's why we have to use, or that's why we have to learn standard forms of a number. Is it clear, students? Okay, and let's see some more examples on standard forms. How to write the standard forms. Okay. And first example we have 28,000. Okay, we have to convert this number into standard form. What is the standard form we have? So x is equal to a into 10 to the power of n, and n is, I will write it here, n is positive for large number, and n is negative for small number. Okay, so now we have to convert this 28,000 into standard form. Okay, x is nothing but 28,000, and we have to convert that into a into 10 to the power of n. Okay, see here, first we have to concentrate here, otherwise I will directly write 28,000, whatever it is. So first step we have to concentrate here is, where is the decimal point here? Where is the decimal point? Yes, students, here I have not given the decimal point. So assume that here at the end there is a decimal point. Sir, illi decimal point irtade. Hange irtade sir? See here, in bank olaga ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ, sir, 100 rupees is written as like this, 100.00. These zeros are neglected, so that here also zeros are there and they are neglected here. That's why the decimal point is at the last. Is it clear to you? Sir, suppose I will write 50. Sir, really 50 all decimal point illri sir na madangilla. No sir, sit here but sir, at the end there is a decimal point. Why sir? It's a rule, but we can't see it. And after that there is no number. Sir, adadmele sir bare zero irtav sir, that's why we will neglect that one. If it is 50.60 or 60, that means 50.60, then we will indicate the decimal point. If it is 50.00, we will neglect and directly write it 50. Sir, we will neglect the point and as well as the zeros, and easily we will write 50. So that in this question we have the decimal point at the last. Okay, students? Okay. And next step what we have to do is we have to move this decimal to left side. See here, concentrate. Second step, we have to move decimal point to left side. Yadri sir left side, sir right side number, left side movement. Simple. Sir, we have to move this decimal point to right side. Sorry, left side. So here is the decimal point. Here we are moving the decimal point. First, bandari sir, bad sir, illi bad sir. Sir, illi decimal point. It becomes that is 2.800. Sorry, 000 sir. From here to here, move. Okay, 000. Is it clear, students? Sir, here the decimal point is moving left side, isn't it? Sir, in a bad sir, because we have noticed that we have to notice that a value must be lies between 1 and 10. A value must be lies between 1 and 10. Sir, here the a value will be 2, like that, or 2.8, whatever it will be. If we will move forward here, sir, we have the number here, sir, then it becomes 0. 0 is not a value. That's why last number tana move madam. Last number up to here, whatever it will be. If we have next example, we can see that in the next example. Okay, is it clear what I did? Sir, here the decimal point, we have just moved this decimal point to here because we want to get the value of a. So see here. Sir, next step what we have to do? Yes, concentrate here. 2.800 into 10 to the power. Sir, 10 sir, so we have to convert that into the standard. Okay, see here, how many jumps I have jumped, sorry, how many times I have jumped here. See here, yes, jump sir. Sir, can jump sir? Assume that how many times I have jumped. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4. Baat khatam. Sir, now we can negate these zeros and write it. That is 2.8 into 10 to the power of 4. Sir, one more time. Understand solpa kasta agodu. It's very easy. See here. Sir, decimal point illi 3. Just I have jumped to last number up to here. Okay, and it becomes 2.800. Isn't it? So same hengide hange barkonde. That is 000. Okay, students. Then I multiplied 10. Sir, 4 elinda bandri sir. How many times I have jumped here? 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then easily write it 4. And while writing the answer, we have to neglect these zeros. Sir, zeros repeat. Simple, sir. And it becomes 2.8 into 10 to the power of 4. 2.8 into 10 to the power of 4. And next example. See the next example. Then you will get clear idea of this. Okay. And the next example we have 32, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, students. I don't know what is. This is the example. So first we have to do that is where is the decimal point? Sir, here is the decimal point. And next step, sir, we have to jump to left side. We have to jump to left side. Okay. See here. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros are there. And here the decimal point. Here, illig bande sir, illig bande bad sir. Illikane jump madam sir up to last number. Up to here. Very good, students. Now it becomes 3.2 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it clear to you? Then next step what we have to do? We have to multiply 10. We have to multiply 10. Simple, sir. Then we have to write exponent. Sir, exponent and baribakri sir. Sir, jumps with the exponent. How many times I have jumped here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is not answer. So what we have to do? We have to neglect the zeros here. We have to neglect the zeros. What it becomes? Sir, 3.2. Sir, neglect these all zeros and write it directly 10 to the power of 7. And this is the answer, students. Isn't it? 3.2 into 10 to the power of 7. Then concentrate here. Here the exponent is in positive. See here the exponent is positive. Why, sir? Because n is positive for large numbers. See here 2008, 28,000 and as well as this number is positive. Why? Because these numbers are large numbers. Margappa. Okay, it's okay. And Bharat Raichur Nagu. Yeah. Let's see some more example on this. Doing more example, it is more clear. It will be more clear. So I will rub both the numbers, both the examples. Okay, I will write it. Third one, you have to tell me that how to do it. Okay, sir. Sir, 9, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's okay, students. Okay, first step, what we have to do, students, here? First step. Yes, sir. First step, we have to point. Where is the decimal point? We have to point that. Where is the decimal point? Sir, I want to tell you. We have to put the decimal point here and write as it is. 9, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And next step, what we have to do, students? Yes, we have to move left side. Why can't right side? Sir, right side the number say illa. That's why we have to move. That is, we have to jump. So, sir, ಕೆಳಗಿನಿಂದ jump ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೌದ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ನಾವು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಇದ್ ಮನುಷ್ಯ. Okay, 1. Sir, design ಮಾಡ್ಲಾಕತ್ತೀರೇನ್ರಿ? No, sir, jumping ಮಾಡ್ಲಾಕತ್ತೀನಿ. Up to what number? Sir, up to here. See here, 9 is less than 10. See here, a value must be less than 10 and equal to maybe equal to 10 or sorry, maybe equal to 1 or less than 10. Now, as it is rated, that is decimal point element is element. So I will put here 9.8. And as it is these numbers, sorry, is these zeros 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 into 10. Isn't it, students? Yes. Then, sir, now we have to express the, or now we have to write the exponent. Sir, what is the exponent here? Sir, simple, sir. How many times we have jumped here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 to the power of 10. Sir, this is not answer. So what we have to do? Sir, we have to neglect these zeros and write it. Sir, 9.8 into 10 to the power of 10. This is the answer, students. Is it clear to you? Yeah. One more example, I will write it. And let's see who will do the answer. That is okay. 3, 8, 5, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros are there. Okay. Now we have to convert this number into the standard form. Do it, students, and tell me the answer. Let's see who will give the correct answer. First step, what we have to do, students? That is 385.2. Sir, sorry, 3 point, okay. 3.852 into 10 to the power of 7. Okay. Nanangu gottilla answer enadu. I will try here. You also try there. Okay, let's see. Bharat Raichur has given the answer. Let's see. That is fourth one. 3852 4 1 2 3 4. So first step, we have to make sure that is here is the decimal point. Okay, then next step 3852 1 2 3 4. We have to move this decimal point to here. 1 2 and write it. Decimal point is here 3.8520000 into 10 to the power of. So 10 to the power of exponents is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is not answer. So what we have to do? We have to neglect these zeros. 852 into 10 to the power of 7. Let's see who will not given the answer. Yes, Bharat Raichur and Padma Pragnamiti. Yes. Gopal Nago. Yes, that is 3.852 into 10 to the power of minus 7. Sorry, plus 7. 107 there later. It's okay. It is 3.852 and Nagu Pragnamiti 3 point into 10 to the power of 7. Yeah. 33. Yes, it is not a 33 point. It is only 3 point. Okay, Sharada? Yes, students. Is it clear, students? And sir, these all are the larger numbers. And why? Because here the exponent is in positive form. That is, n is positive for large numbers. Sir, you bare large numbers. Then what about smaller numbers? Let's see here. Let's take one example, that is fifth or whatever it will be. 0.12345 6. Okay, students. Sir, see here, this is a small number. Sir, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ sir? Sir, ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಸಣ್ಣದಿದೆ because 0.00007. Isn't it? Sir, here we have to concentrate here. What we have to concentrate? See, sir, ಏನಿಲ್ರಿ sir, number ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದವ. We have to neglect zeros. First ಗೆ zeros neglect ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. Sir, okay, neglect. So what we have to do? Sir, last number ಏನಾದ್ರು? Whatever it may be, last number means we are neglected the zeros. So I'll write directly 7. Yes, 7 is neglected. Then we have to divide. Why, sir? Because it is a rule. Okay. And concentrate here. We have to write 1. Why, sir? 1. Sir, 7 by 1 is nothing but 7 only. That's why. So we have to write the zeros corresponding to how many digits are there after the decimal. Sir, see here. Sir, I have written 1. See here. 1 after decimal. We have to consider after decimal. Sir, before whatever it will, we don't consider this one. After decimal, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sir, ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ sir? Simple. Point ಆಗಣ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಅವರಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಜೀರೋ ಹಾಕಿರಿ. Isn't it? Sir, point ಆಗಣ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದವು ಅಷ್ಟು ಜೀರೋಸ್ ಹಾಕಿರಿ. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Isn't it, students? Then this is equal to 7 divided by 10. Now we have to convert this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This number into the standard form. Now we have to convert this number into the standard form. Sir, matta tough aitalri. Nothing, sir. What we have to do? 10. Now convert this number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 6. 10 to the power of 6. Yes, zeros are sir 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros are it is equal to 0. 10 to the power of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sir, how many zeros? 8 zeros. Simple. Sir, 1, 2. Sir, how many zeros? 2 zeros. Sir, 1, 2, 3. How many zeros? 3 zeros. Like that students. Is it clear? Sir, 1. Sir, R0 over sir, this is it. 6 zeros are there. Kept 10 to the power of 6. So next step what we have to do? 10 into 10 to the power of minus 6. ಅರ್ಥನೇ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ನನಗೆ ಸಿ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ 1 by a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of minus m. Is it clear? Sir, simple. Sir, ಇದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಾಗ ಆದ್ರಿ ಇದು ಮೇಲೆ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Then the exponent is 10 to the power of minus 6. 10 to the power of minus 6. Why, sir? Because by applying the formula 1 by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of minus m. We have to apply this formula. Then we will get easy answer. And we have to notice here that is minus indicates a negative exponent. And negative exponent is n is if n is negative for smaller numbers. We know that is this number is smaller. Is it clear, students? What we have did that is, sir, first step we have to neglect the zeros and write it as it is, sir. And so, sir, point agana ಎಷ್ಟು numbers are ಎಷ್ಟು numbers ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಅಷ್ಟು numbers means ಅಷ್ಟು zeros ಹಾಕಬೇಕ್ರಿ whatever it may be. See 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros are there and 6 numbers are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 numbers are 6 zeros are there. So simple. 7 is 7. Sir, it is converted as 10 to the power of 6. Why, sir? See here. 1000 is converted to 10 to the power of 0. 10 to the power of 3. That is 1 2 3 zeros avri 3 hakidre. 2 avri 2 hakidre. Sir, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 avri 6 hakidre. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಇದ್ದು 8 hakidre. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಇದ್ದು sir ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6. Is it clear? Then, sir, now apply 1 by a to the power of m formula. Formula apply ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ್ರಿ easy. Sir, if it is jump to upside, it becomes negative. Exponent will become negative. Is it clear, students? And this is the answer. Is it clear to you? Let's see one more example. So that you will be clear. That is, I will give the different formula or a different number. 1 2 3 up. What we have to do, students? Sir, we have to neglect the zeros and as it is we have to write the number 57. Okay, 57 bardari sir, bardari. Then one answer as it is here. Sir, we have to write the zeros while comparing these numbers. Sir, how many numbers are there? 1 2 3 4 5. How many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5. See. Then again 57 by 1 2 3 4 5. Clear? 5 zeros is 5 hakide. Then it becomes 57 into 10 to the power of minus 5. 57 into 10 to the power of minus 5. Now concentrate. Sir, this number is x is 0.00057. Concentrate here. And a value must be exist between 1 and 10. A value must be exist between 1 and 10. Here the a value is 57. Avudalappa. A value is 57. Now we have to convert this 57 into this form. Sir, simple about that is 57 ಗೆ ನಾವು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That is a value must be exist between 1 and 10 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಸರ್. ಇವಾಗ 57 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗ್ತದೆ. So we have to put a decimal point here. So in the positive while in the ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ರಿ larger numbers. So like that. Sir, we have jumped to this one. It becomes 5.7 into 10. How many jumps? Only one jump. Now write it here. 5.7 into 10 to the power of 1 into 10 to the power of minus 5. Is it clear to you? That is, the answer is 57 into 10 to the power of minus 5. Sir, we have to concentrate, that is, a value must be exist between 1 and 10. Sir, but here it has 57. So that's why what we have to do, sir, we have to convert 57 into this. The larger formula, first examples noted better like that. That is, 57 is here and point is decimal point is here. We have jumped to left side, so it becomes 5.7 and into 10 to the power of 1. Sir, why 1? Because only one jump. Sir, as it is in is it clear? Becomes 5.7 into 10 to the power of 1 and 10 to the power of minus 5. Okay. 5.7 into 10 to the power of, concentrate. We have to apply the formula, that is a into m plus, sorry, a into m, a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of. Sir, bahಳ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾದಲ್ರಿ ಇದು, nothing sir, simple ಆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. Okay students, now we have to apply, that is a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So what it becomes, that is 1 minus 5 becomes minus 4. See, one more step. 1 minus 5. 5.7 minus 4. Edik bantri sir, why we have taken or why we have multiplied or added these numbers? Sir, add and madidi subtract, because plus into minus is minus, that's why. See here, a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to, by this formula we have applied this, and we will get 5.7 into 10 to the power of minus 4 is the answer. Is it clear? Sir, one more example into the here, sir. Okay sir, I will. Same as it is in the formula or in the problem. That is second problem, that is 0.00285. Okay, no ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ tough ಆಗಿದೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, so that you will be clear. See here, so first step, so 285 divided by 1 is there. So 285 ತಗೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ, zeros neglect ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So then write the zeros comparing these numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 285 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Simple sir, step. Okay, next step ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ concentrate ಮಾಡಿ. 285 into 10 to the power of minus 5 is the answer. No sir. Why? Because this is a. A must be lies between 1 and 10. So that we have to convert, I will convert this 285 into what term? That is standard form. Sir, 285 on the separate togonde sir. Then here is the decimal. So I will move this decimal to left side. It becomes 2.85 into 10 to the power of how many? What's the exponent we have to keep here? 1, 2. 2 is the exponent. Same as it is, I will keep it here. That is 2.85. 2.85 into 10 to the power of 2 into 10 to the power of minus 5 is 2. And in the previous example, we have seen that is, if the base is same, we have to apply which formula? 10 to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus m. Isn't it, student? So applying that formula, what you will get? Into 10 to the power of 2 minus 5. It becomes, students, 2.85 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Is it clear, students? Bahal easy problem. Okay? But step by step you will understand. Is it clear? And one more homework I will give you. The homework is first one, convert this number into standard form, that is 0.000854. and second one 0.0000097, and third one 0.0000008. Sir, now we have to convert these number into the standard forms. Sir, first time ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ sir, like this step, and while converting 854 into 10 to the power of minus 6 ಬರ್ತದೆ. Sir, but we want a value must be lies between 1 and 10, so that we have to convert this number into the larger number. Sir, as we did like this. Okay, and here both these are added, so it becomes 10 to the power of minus 3. Okay students, these are the homework, and by this I will conclude my today's session, and thank you for being live. Okay students, bye bye.